That's a perfect watermelon holder.
Did you start it?
Yeah.
Did you light it already?
No, he's just putting it in there.
Placement is key.
Watch, see what comes. Do you remember the other year when we did this? And they threw it, and we were all standing here and forever to go off.
And then we walked over towards it,
And it went off.
remember the firecrackers in the water pail or whatever?
Last year was not fun.
Yeah, you burned yourself. Turn my head for 1 minute,
I know.
and you burn yourself.
I got the big ball this year. Just see what's everywhere. Light it up this week. Dad, you're on video. Hurry up.
Oh my god!
Holy shit!